Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add background color or fill color to a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and I will insert a text box, comment box. You can add note and add text box and drag your mouse cursor. Now put your mouse cursor on the text box and click right button from your mouse and select properties and properties dialog box. Here you will find this fill color option. Click here and you can add here any fill color and see this and line is still you can make it solid and you can transparent this fill color also if you want. Again click fill color and select other color. You can add custom color and make custom fill color and so on. So close. Now double click on this text box and type text here and so on. In this you can add fill color to your text boxes or comment boxes and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.